So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message with meeting link on Instamojo payment. Now suppose guys you are conducting some kind of paid meeting or webinar session and you are using Instamojo to collect the payment from your clients and customer for that paid session. Now you want that whenever you receive a new payment on your Instamojo account, automatically you want to send a WhatsApp message with the link of the meeting or the webinar with the WhatsApp message as well as the payment confirmation. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this process. So using this automation, whenever a new payment will be received in Instamojo, automatically we are going to send a WhatsApp message using Interact, which is one of the official API service of WhatsApp, to the same customer who made the payment with the meeting or webinar link. So if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Instamojo to Interact. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is we have created a payment page or a payment link on our Instamojo account. And we want that whenever we receive the payment on our Instamojo account, we want to send the meeting link of the Zoom meeting which we have created on WhatsApp to the same customer who has made the payment. So for this automation, what we are going to do, first we are going to connect our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. And we are going to first get the details that whenever we receive a payment on our Instamojo account, the details of that payment should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And as we receive the payment, this automation workflow will trigger. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect's automation, we are going to send all of the payment details with the details of the customer to Interact. And using Interact, we are going to send the WhatsApp message to the same customer who made the payment. And in that message, we are going to mention the invite link of our Zoom meeting as well. So let's see how it is done. Now starting from our trigger window, here in Choose App, we have to search for Instamojo. Just select it. After selecting Instamojo in trigger event from this drop-down, select New Sale as the trigger event. And after selecting a trigger event, here you can see that Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect and capture the new payment details over here. So what we have to do, you just have to actually follow the help text given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and go to your Instamojo account. So in my Instamojo account, I have basically created a smart payment page over here. We will just go to the smart pages and this is the payment page which we have created, named as Facebook Ads Training Session. Now after opening our payment page, our smart payment page which we have created to collect the payments, just click on these 3 dots and go to Edit Page section. After coming to the Edit Page section, just scroll down and after scrolling down, you will get an option of webhook. So we will just scroll down and under Page URL Settings, you will get this webhooks option. Add webhook. Just click on this button, just turn this button on and here in this field of Enter the webhook URL, paste the exact same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy this webhook URL from here and then paste it over here. Then it is asking us information to be sent. That what are the information, what are the details we want Instamojo to send to Pabbly Connect. So we only want to get the details when the payments are successful on our Instamojo account. We want to get the details of successful payment. So we are just going to select that and we are going to remove this failed payments from here. And after this guys, just click on Save and Update. Yes, Save and Update. So just now we have added a webhook URL on our Instamojo payment page. So whenever we are going to receive a new payment on this particular payment page on our Instamojo account, automatically the details of that successful payment will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So because we have selected successful payment as the option, we will be only getting the successful payment details inside Pabbly Connect. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the details, some data of a new payment from Instamojo. So let's do it. We are going to make a test payment on this payment page. I will just copy the link of this payment page. For example, I'll go to share, copy the payment page link and paste it in a new tab. After this, let's go to pay now. This is the payment page which I have created, and then we are going to make a payment. But before that, let's enter the details of a customer over here. For example, the name of the customer who is making the payment is this demo user. This is the email address, and this is the WhatsApp number. So whatever mobile number the customer is going to enter while making the payment, on the same WhatsApp number, we are going to send the WhatsApp message with the Zoom meeting invite link. Just click on proceed to pay over here. So here guys, we are just going to make a test payment over here. So let me make the payment. And it is done. Just now you can see that I have made a test payment on my Instamojo payment page. And because we have connected this payment page with Pabbly Connect using the webhook URL, we will see the details of this exact same payment will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we will just go to our Pabbly Connect workflow, and yes, here in our trigger window you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you can see all the details of the successful payment which we have received. Here you can see the payment status that we have received the payment status as successful. The payment was successful. Then here you can see the payment ID. You can see the currency and also the amount. We made the payment of 9 rupees. So we can see the same amount and currency over here. Then you can see the page ID, the smart page ID on which we received the payment. You can see the purpose of the payment. We will scroll down further. And after that, here at last, you can see the details of the user, details of the customer who made the payment as well. Like here you can see the full name, the same mobile number which they have entered while making the payment, and also the same email address. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever we receive a successful payment on our Instamojo account, the details of that same payment will be captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow, and this automation workflow will trigger. Now after this, what we want to do, we want to send a WhatsApp message to the same customer who made the payment, and in that WhatsApp message, we want to mention our Zoom meeting link as well. So here guys, to send the WhatsApp message, we are going to use Interact in this video. So we'll just get back to our workflow and we will scroll down and come to this action window over here. And here in Choose App, we will search for Interact. Just select it. After selecting Interact in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Send WhatsApp Template Message. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Interact account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the secret key from our Interact account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get this secret key. So to get it, just go to your Interact account and from the left sidebar, just go to this settings option and go to settings. After coming to the settings page, go to developer settings, and here at this developer settings page, you can see the secret key of your Interact account. Just copy the secret key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the secret key, just click on save. Now when we click on save, we will see our Interact account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the country code, then the phone number and the full mobile number. So in these fields guys, we have to enter the mobile number of the user, of the customer to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. Now if you have a separate response for country code and phone number, you can enter the country code and phone number in these two fields. But if you have a response of full phone number, like from Instamojo, we have received the mobile number of the user and this is the response of full phone number. We have the plus sign with country code and the 10 digits mobile number as well. So if you have the full phone number, you can actually map this response of full phone number in this full phone number field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you will see a list of all the responses which we have received from Instamojo of a new sale. And out of all of these responses, select this response of buyer phone and map it over here. So whatever phone number the customer is going to enter while making the payment on our Instamojo payment page, we will get that same phone number, that same mobile number inside Pabbly Connect. And using interact, we are going to send the WhatsApp message on the same number. After mapping the full phone number, the next thing it asks us is the template code name. So here guys, in interact, we have selected the action event as send WhatsApp template message. Now we have to basically create a template message in our interact account, and then we can basically send a WhatsApp message with that template to our users, to a customer. And in this field, we have to enter the template code name over here. That in your interact account, it is most likely possible that you might have created multiple templates over there. So using which template we want to send this WhatsApp message, we have to select that template code name and over here. Now to get the template code name, we will just go to our interact account and go to template section. Now here you can see that at this template page, you will see a list of all the WhatsApp message templates which we have created in our interact account. If you want to create a new one, just click on this create new button and then you can start creating your WhatsApp template message of your choice. So guys, the template which we are going to use in this video is named as Zoom link. We will just open this template over here. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to my users, to my customers who are making the payment. The message says hello, and after hello, we want to mention the name of the user over here, the name of the customer who made the payment. But guys, every time we receive the payment, we will get the details of a new customer. So after hello, the name of the customer is going to keep on changing for every WhatsApp message we send. Means the name of the customer is a variable, it's a dynamic text. And to add these kind of dynamic text in our template message, the text which we are going to change for every sending message, we add these kind of body fields over here. So we have written a number, we have written 1 in double curly braces. This denotes a variable, a dynamic text. This denotes that in this template message, everything is going to be the same, but the variables, the body fields which we are adding over here, these body fields are basically keep on changing for every message we send. So after hello, we can basically add a new name of the customer every time. Then after that, this message says, thank you for your payment. We have successfully received it. Your participation in our upcoming event is confirmed. Here is the meeting link. So here we have another variable, and here you can mention the meeting link. If your meeting link keep on changing every time, then you can mention the meeting link, enter the Zoom meeting link as well, which you want to send on Instamojo payment. Then the message says, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to meeting you soon. Best regards, Pabbly. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send. Now here guys, in Pabbly Connect, it was asking us template code name. So this is the template using which we are going to send the WhatsApp message. And to get the template code name, here we will go to the URL section. And in URL section, after template slash and before slash view, here you can see this template code name. Just copy this template code name for this template from here and then paste it over here inside Pabbly Connect. After template code name, the next thing it asks us is the language code. So here guys, I have created this WhatsApp message template in English. So I'm going to enter the language code of English over here, which is EN. If you want to get a list of all the language code using which you can send WhatsApp message, here in this help text, there's a hyperlink. You can just click on this field and in a new tab, you will reach to this message template page of Meta. And at this page, you can see a list of all the languages using which you can send the WhatsApp messages. After language code, it is asking us header value. Now in this template message, if you want, you also have an option to add some kind of headers. The headers can be some kind of text, image, video, or some kind of document as well. So if you have created a template and if you want to send some kind of header with your WhatsApp message as well, if you want to send some kind of image, text, document as a header with the WhatsApp message, you can select this option as well while creating the template. And if you have selected that option, for example, if you have selected image as a header, then what is the image that you want to send? You have to enter the URL, the link of that image over here in this header value field. So right now in this template message, we have selected header as none. We haven't selected header over here. So we can ignore this field for now. Then it is asking us body variable value. So in our template message, you can see we have created two different body variables. For the first one was after hello and the second one was after the meeting link. So after hello, we wanted to mention the name of the user, the name of the customer to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. So here in this body variable value field, we have to mention the values, the text which we want to add in place of these variables over here. So we basically add the body variables in a sequence. Like we have this variable 1. So we are going to enter the text which we want to enter in place of variable 1 over here. Now in place of variable 1, we want to mention the name of the user, the name of the customer who made the payment. So we have received the name of the customer who made the payment from Instamojo responses. So from these responses, we are going to map this response of name over here in this body variable value field. And guys, as you all know, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this dropdown, you will get a list of all the responses which we have received from Instamojo. And out of all of these responses, select this response of buyer name and it will be mapped over here. So whatever name the customer is going to enter while making the payment on our Instamojo payment page, with the same name, we are going to send the WhatsApp message. Now after mentioning the value of variable 1, we want to mention the value of variable 2. Now here guys, to mention the value of variable 2, we are just going to add a comma over here, and after that, after the comma, whatever text or whatever data we enter, it will be entered as the value of variable 2. It will be entered in place of variable 2 in this template message. So here guys, in variable 2, we want to mention the meeting link. So from my Zoom account, I will just copy this invite link of the meeting for which we are taking the payment from the customer, and then in this body variable value field, I am going to paste this link over here. So in this way, this particular link which we are pasting over here, this link is going to send with every WhatsApp message we are going to send to the customer who are making the payment on our Instamojo payment page. In this way, if you want, you can add multiple variables as well. You can add as many variables as you want, and by adding the commas, you can enter the value of those variables as well in this body variable value field. After this, the next thing it asks us is the position of CTA button. So you also have an option to add some kind of call to action buttons over here in your template message. So if you have added some kind of call to action buttons, then you can basically select the position of these buttons as well in zeros and ones. But right now in this template message, we haven't added any kind of call to action buttons. So you can basically ignore this field of position of CTA button and value of variable in dynamic URL as well. And after all of this guys, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message with our selected template and with all of these variable values is been sent on this number. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this number. We'll just go to the new tab. We will just access the WhatsApp account. And yes guys, here you can see that on this account, we have just now received a WhatsApp message which says hello demo user, means the same name of the customer who made the payment on our Instamojo payment page. Thank you for your payment. We have successfully received it. Your participation in our upcoming event is confirmed. Here is the payment link. Here is the meeting link. And here you can see the meeting link of the same Zoom meeting which we have copied from our Zoom account. And by clicking on this link, the user can basically join the meeting, reach to the meeting, the Zoom meeting which we have scheduled, for which we are taking the payment from our customer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to meeting with you soon. Best regards, Pabbly. So here guys, this is the complete message. This is the exact same message template message which we have created inside Interact. And we have mentioned the same details, the same customer name and meeting link in this message as well. Now here guys, I told you that you also have an option to add some kind of call to action buttons in your template message. So while sending the WhatsApp message, if you want the link, the URL of the meeting which we have added in this body variable value field, you can basically add this URL in call to action button as well. And you can basically give a button with your WhatsApp message, and by clicking on that button, the user will be redirected to the same meeting link which we have added over here. So instead of sending the link on our WhatsApp message as text, you can basically add a button to this text as well. So guys, here you can see that we have successfully created this automation, and using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new payment on our Instamojo payment page, automatically we are going to send a WhatsApp message from Interact to the same customer who made the payment with our Zoom meeting link, the meeting for which we are taking the payment. Now after setting up this automation guys, we are going to test this automation workflow once. We'll just go to the same payment page once again. We are just going to copy the link and paste it over here once again. And we are going to make another payment over here. This time, let's change the name of the customer. For example, the name of the customer over here is test user. This is the name of the customer who is making the payment. This is the email address of the customer this time. And then this is the mobile number. Proceed to pay. So once again, I'm just going to make another payment on our Instamojo payment page. And the payment is done. We will see just now we will be receiving the payment over here. And the payment is successful. So just now on our Instamojo payment page, we have received another payment over here. And we will see as we receive this payment, instantly within seconds, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same customer who made the payment. So we'll go to the WhatsApp account and yes, here you can see that hello test user, the same customer who actually made the payment, what the name which they have entered while making the payment, we have sent a WhatsApp message to the same customer on the same number. And in this message, we have mentioned the meeting link of our Zoom meeting as well, for which we were collecting the payments. So here we have tested this automation in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can actually clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down to your suggestions and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.